Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I hope this video has found you in the best spirit, the best mood, and overall, just sending out good energy to whoever's watching this video. Today, we're going to be going over how to actually launch a live web page within Visual Studio Code. And the reason that you may want to do this is to maybe test out your code, see if it's working properly, or also just building a website, right? So first thing we're going to want to do is actually open up Visual Studio Code, and you're going to be met with the general welcome screen. And from here, we're actually going to open up a new folder. I'm going to name this folder HTML project 1, because I already have a project by default, but I'm gonna name this one 1. I'm gonna say yes, close the welcome screen, and boom, our HTML project folder is now created. From here, we're actually going to go over to extensions, which is actually the fifth icon on the left side of the screen in Visual Studio Code. When we click on that, we're going to install live server. As you can see, I already have it installed on my computer, so I don't have to reinstall it. But once you guys actually look up live server within just the extension bar, you're going to want to hit install and then install it to your Visual Studio Code. Once you install it, you're going to notice at the bottom right corner of the screen a button that says go live, and we're actually going to click that button later on in the video when we actually launch our web page. All right, so let's go back to file. Let's exit this out. From here, we're going to right click within our workspace, hit new file, and we're going to name this file test html.html. Okay, boom. So now we have our new HTML file created, and from here I'm just going to paste a basic HTML script that I got from Google, and from here is where you're actually gonna link your JavaScript file, your CSS file, whatever stylistic file that you want to link later on your website. You'll do so within your main HTML file, right? So in order to make sure that this code is actually working, first we're going to want to save it. Okay, boom. We're going to go down to the go live button. We're going to click that, and boom, our website is working, right? Let's try to change something in our H1 tag. Let's just add like welcome to my channel and save it. Let's see if let's close the port, see if that worked, and boom. So yeah, so we know our code is working. A reason that you may want to do this, like I said, is if you want to test to make sure that your web page is actually working, or if you actually want to link any CSS file or any add anything to your web page, you can do so within your HTML file, and then also just launching the go live button, or the launching a live server within Visual Studio Code in order to see it, right? So that concludes this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful for some of you, and feel free to leave me a comment below if you guys have any questions or concerns. I do plan on uploading more coding content, programming content. My goal for this channel is to basically be a fun outlet when it comes to programming and when it comes to, languages and things like that. So, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, like, subscribe, and if I was able to give you any value within this video, that will be your way of saying thank you to me. So I would really appreciate it. Um, without with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and peace. I'm out.